Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much to Pastor and the church for the opportunity to sing, and it's an honor to be here. Tonight, the title of the song I will be singing is Grace. Thank you. My heart is so proud. My mind is so unfocused. I see the things you do through me as great things I have done. And now you gently bring me, then lovingly you take me and hold me as my Father and mold me as my Maker. I ask you, how many times will you pick me up and won't keep on letting you down? And each time I will fall short of your glory. How far will forgiveness abound? And you answer, my child, I love you. And as long as you seek in my face, you're working the power of my daily sufficient grace. At times I may grow weak and feel a bit discouraged, knowing that someone somewhere could do a better job. For who am I to serve you? I know I don't deserve you, and that's the part that burns in my heart and keeps me hanging on. I ask you, how many times will you pick me up? Then I keep on letting you down, and each time I will fall short of your glory. How far will forgiveness abound? And you answer, my child, I love you. And as long as you seek in my face, you're working the power of my daily sufficient grace. You are so patient with me, Lord. As I work with you, I'm learning what your grace really means. The price that I could never pay was paid at Calvary. So instead of trying to repay you, I'm learning to simply